Hello, my name is Nathaniel from Alphacool, and do you remember the Alphacool Molex extractor kit? Yes, you do. Everyone likes it and loves it because it's such a fancy toolkit, but for a real project you will need some more tools, and customers asked for this, so now we provide a complete box where everything is included that you will need. So let's open this nice and stable soft box, and as you can see here, all the tools are kept safe in a thick foam. So let's get started with the wire stripper first. And yeah, here's the tape measure. This is for inch and millimeters, so everyone can use it. And yeah, the wire stripper lies good in my hand and it's easy to use. You can just cut a cable here like this, and you'd adjust the length, how long you want to strip the wire, and then just use it like this. So this is easy to use and works good. Here we have the side cutter. This lies good in my hand, and of course you can use it to cut cables like this. This works very easy. Or the bigger one, the Alphacool Alphacord. And because the Alphacord is such a stable product, you may need more than one cut, but it works. So here we go. And here we have the crimping tool to crimp the cables. And this is massive. A big tool, and with two replacement jaws here, so this will last for a very, very long time. So let's make a practical test here. First of all, I have a cable. I can crimp the cable like this. Then I would need to cut the Molex part here. Put it in the right position, like let's say this. And then I would need to put it into the tool and see what happens. And here we go. This is the result. Perfect. Finally, here we have the sleeving needle, and this is a tool that makes it much easier for you to bring the sleeving onto your cable. So this is loose, so you need to hold it with your hands. And then if you have the sleeving here, you get rid of the part that are already in the inside. And now this is free to go over the needle and over your cable. And you go step by step by step by step and hold it like this. So I'm not a professional in this, but our modders make brilliant results using this tool. Here there are all the parts of the Molex extractor kit plus one additional one. So I'm going to demonstrate how this works. So here we have the cable and of course the plug. And this is inside, this is really tightened. So you use now this tool, just push it on. You hear a little click, and then it's ready to be removed. It was a great pleasure for me to make this video to show you how all this works together, and we have a pretty good result here. So yes, this Alphacord is available in lots of colors, and it's my favorite sleeving. So I wish you that you could use this at home and also get brilliant results for your next sleeving and modding project. Have a great day. Goodbye.